Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, we are back with another Luvme hair wig install. Now if you don't know about Luvme hair, they actually produce game changer on effortless wig installations. All of their wigs come in uncompromising quality, they are ready to go wigs, and of course they come at a really good price. Switching it up is everything, and with Luvme hair you have so many different options when it comes to glueless ready to go wigs. So the one that I'm wearing today is actually like this Afro inspired wig. As you guys can see, it has the highlights. It also came with this deep side part, and it also came with a breathable cap as well, which I will show you guys in just a little bit. Now the thing about this wig is that it is a 5x5 lace closure, so if you guys want to see the different parting styles, make sure you tune in towards the end of the video. That way I can show you what it looks like with the middle part and also a side part as well. Now a couple of things that I love about this wig is, for one, I love the curls in this wig. The curls come already defined for you. I love how it also came with the deep side part as well, and I love the highlights. And you guys know I stand me some glueless wigs, so of course I love the fact that she's 100% glueless also. And just so you guys know, this wig is actually 18 inches long. I can't stop playing with it. It's so pretty. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump on into this install. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and jump on into this wig install today. You guys see me, I'm just giving you some extra clips or whatever because this wig is actually really cute. So as always, I'm giving you an unboxing. Luvme Hair sends useful gifts along with their wig units, which I always appreciate, especially that bag and the label to keep your wigs organized. So this wig in particularly is their brown highlight deep side part Afro glueless 5x5 closure lace wig with a breathable cap. Of course, I'm going to give you guys some close-ups. That breathable cap really helps your scalp to breathe. If you need to itch your scalp, or let's say your scalp is sensitive and you just like to have some air underneath your wig caps, this is the type of wig cap that you would prefer. Also, this lace is a 5x5 closure lace, so you do have room to do different parting styles as well. And then of course you have that adjustable elastic band for a nice glueless wig install. And just so you guys know, this wig is 18 inches and she is in 150% density, and that lace does come pre-bleached for you. So as you guys saw, I still added some makeup onto that lace. Pre-bleached or not, you really want to make sure that your lace matches your skin tone as much as possible, so that's why I did that. And then you adjust the strap to your preference and literally just throw the wig on. Now I normally mention this in all of my wig install tutorials. I do like to use the combs that are inside of the wig. This particular wig does have 3 different combs. I like to use the combs just to make sure that my lace is laying down as flat as possible, because when it comes to closure wigs, I do prefer to use no product to lay that lace down. I like glueless wig installs. You guys know this by now if you've been watching my hair tutorials. So yeah, using the combs for me is essential, but it's completely up to you. It's not really necessary, but it does help, okay? So I cut off all that additional lace that we do not need, and I'm going to give you guys a close-up of that lace as well. You do want to cut right in front of your hairline, and then whatever lace is left over, just dab a little bit more foundation right on it just to make sure that everything is blended. Now look how natural this lace is looking, you guys. No product to secure her down whatsoever. No melting spray, no glue, no gel, no spray, none of that, okay? So I moved a little bit of hair just to cover up like where that lace ends, because this is a closure, so sometimes you could see that little knot right there. We don't want that showing. And then I added a little bit of lighter foundation in the part area, and then I did go in with my hot comb just to really make sure that the hair around the part area was not too fluffy looking, and you could really see that defined C curve part, because that is what makes this wig just mwah. Of course the highlights as well in the curl pattern. So as you guys can see, the hair is actually completely defined. We did not have to go section by section, add any product, none of that. So I am just using the water to just help me fluff out the hair a little bit, make sure everything is in place, and then also to help tame a couple of areas that may have been a little frizzy. Now at this point, I was completely satisfied with the wig. Now if you want to fluff it out a little bit more, you most definitely can, but I like volume and I also like defined curls, and this wig was giving me just that straight out the box. So that's literally all I had to do to get the style that I preferred. Now I am going to give you guys some different parting options. Remember, this is a 5x5 lace closure, so you don't have to keep it in the C curve part if you do not want to. You can actually still get some other parting styles as well while keeping it 100% glueless. So this is what a middle part looks like. I definitely prefer a side part with this unit only because it is a lot of hair, and this is what the side part is looking like. So side part, C curve part is definitely my fave. Okay, you guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know how you like the wig in the comment section down below. Let me know if you actually like the deep side part, the regular side part, or a middle part. Comment down below and let me know which parting style was your favorite. Make sure you guys check out my description box down below. I'll have all the information listed there for you. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.